SG, Murder Can, yeah. Something real quick and simple for you motherfuckers. Yes, YC, Yola City, Penn Street, I got this, man. You know, man? Just came home from doing a little 21 months, nothing, man. Real simple, real easy with it. Murder Can, man. I'm not with that black and yellow, but I lay up the rock like the boy Camelo, puffin' on some sour diesel, keep me mellow. The block is scorching hot like a hot tea kettle. So come test me, I can get hit with metal. I'm so uneasy, I gotta get settled. Nice and comfy, tray 8 forfeit, forgetting nice and comfy. 6 feet deep, you reap what you sow. So I stay on the block, bitch, rain, sleet, or snow. And I stay with some puffs that gas you like Texaco. And I roll with some GDs to scream 7-4. That'll stab you in your face if you cross one pitchfork. From PA to Annam, murder put in work. These niggas make me sick like muzzling around port. If you rattle your mans on Penn Street, we hold court. And it say Judge Judy, I'm the judge and the jury. Your life was looking right, now your life was looking bloomy. When mine was looking wavy with a smoker, it's fuck you, pay me. If you don't have my money, are you stupid, crazy? Puffin' on some sour, I'm looking hazy. My bitch is like Keisha, she rock a bob, baby. I was born in the Yola, back in the 80s when the coke had a hook, that a crack got him crazy. Yeah.